Komodo dragons are among the most mesmerizing creatures on the planet. Komodo dragons live on only 5 islands in southeastern Indonesia. Indonesia's 4 islands within Komodo National Park, and the island of Flores, and earning their place as modern-day dinosaurs with a lineage stretching back 4 million years. Komodo dragons can weigh up to a whopping 366 pounds and grow as long as 10 feet. And as a fun fact, the Komodo dragons are parthenogenetic, means female can give birth without a male. Here's a look at some of their most incredible hunting feats. So we have Komodo versus shark on number 15. Imagine a colossal Komodo dragon on a beach, spotting a white-tipped shark carcass washed ashore. Without a moment's hesitation, it picks up the shark and swallows it whole. Komodos have an extraordinary sense of smell, detecting carrion from over 2 kilometers away, making a shark carcass an irresistible find. Number 14. Komodo versus monkey. In Komodo National Park, a long-tailed macaque takes a tumble from a tree after a scuffle. Below, a patient Komodo dragon scoops it up and begins to feed. Komodo dragons may not look fast, but it can run faster than most humans during short bursts and can reach up to 18 miles per hour. Sometimes multiple Komodos join in, fiercely competing over their prize until nothing remains. 13. Komodo versus wild boar. A wild boar, unfortunate enough to cross paths with a Komodo dragon, faces a grisly end. The dragon uses its venomous bite to incapacitate the boar. Komodo's venom prevents the blood from clotting, which causes massive blood loss and induces shock, which then becomes a meal for the predator. Komodos are relentless and brutal, and their serrated teeth ensure their prey doesn't escape. 12. Komodo eats chicken. Watch a Komodo dragon at Bali Bird Park snatch a live chicken with lightning speed, gulp it down in seconds. These dragons are quick eaters, consuming anything edible with impressive efficiency. 11. Komodo versus buffalo. Komodo dragons don't shy away from large prey. Witness a pack of Komodos taking down a buffalo calf. They use their venom to slowly paralyze the calf, eventually overwhelming it. The scene is a testament to their status as apex predators. 10. Komodo swallows stingray. Stingrays are another favorite for Komodo dragon. A large Komodo finds a stingray washed up on the beach, picks it up, and devours it whole. Komodos have a crocodile-like feeding style, swallowing prey without chewing. 9. Komodo versus goat. In a bizarre showdown, a goat tries to intimidate a Komodo with headbutts. The dragon isn't impressed and quickly grabs the goat's leg, with other Komodos soon joining in. The result? Brutal and efficient feeding frenzy. 8. Komodo versus fish. Komodo dragons have a never-ending hunger, capable of consuming up to 80% of their body weight in a single meal. Watch as a female Komodo drags a fish from the beach, defending her meal from a rival male with fierce determination. 7. Komodo cannibalism. Komodo dragons aren't just predators, they're also cannibals. Juveniles often avoid adults to escape being eaten. However, if a larger Komodo finds a smaller one, it might attempt to eat it. Chilling reminder of the harsh realities of their world. 6. Komodo versus snake. Komodos have few natural enemies, and snakes are no exception. Watch a Komodo at Bandung Zoo devour a snake with ease. Even venomous species like the rattlesnake or spitting cobra fall prey to these formidable lizards. 5. Komodo eats moray eel. Female Komodo dragon discovers a dead moray eel but leaves it behind. A larger male picks it up, only to discard it as well. Eventually, the female returns to claim her meal, demonstrating the Komodo's ruthless, opportunistic feeding behavior. 4. Komodo versus deer. Komodo dragon drags a large dead deer from a waterhole to feast on. These giants can consume an enormous amount of food in one sitting and might survive on a single meal for weeks. Their slow metabolism allows them to go without food for extended period. 3. Komodo versus turtle. Komodos are resourceful hunters, even flipping turtles onto their backs to access the flesh inside. Watch as 2 Komodos work together to feed on a dead turtle, showcasing their clever and opportunistic nature. 2. Komodo eats mouse. Even small prey like a mouse doesn't escape the Komodo's appetite. A young Komodo quickly dispatches and swallows a large mouse, illustrating how even the youngest dragons are adept hunters. 1. Komodo versus bat. An impressive display of agility, a large Komodo dragon captures and devours a giant bat. These dragons, capable of climbing trees and leaping to catch prey, prove their versatility and ferocity in the wild. Komodo dragons may not be mythical dragons, but their ancient lineage and fearsome hunting skills make them truly fascinating creatures. What's your take on these extraordinary predators? Share your thoughts and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible wildlife content.